Good morning, all those who are watching this video. Welcome to Let's Learn with Josh again with a quite interesting video. And in today's video, we are going to discuss and quiz and what are variables. Okay, so let's do the screen share. Yeah, so I hope my screen is visible. So in the previous video, we learned the function print, right? So print as a function is used to give outputs, right? It is a function which is used to give outputs. So for more details, please watch my previous video. The link will be given in description. I also detail explain to you this. Okay, so I'll give the link in the description. Please watch it and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video and send it to your family members and friends. Yeah. So let's start with a quiz. Let's go. So question number one. When was Python 3 released? Okay. Option A, 2009. Option B, 2002. Option C, 2006. And option D, 2008. Think. I'll give you 5 seconds. One, two, three, four, five. And the correct answer is option number D, 2008. I told this answer in the first video, which we discussed the Python teaser, right? You can watch it. I'll give a link in the description box. So on to the next question. Question number two. What is a correct syntax to output hello world in Python? Okay. So first is this print hello world. Second is this. Okay. Third is this. And fourth one is this. Now think and answer carefully. Okay, this is a tricky question. I'll give you again 5 seconds. One, two, three, four, and five. So the correct answer is option number D, print hello world. Now you must be thinking, why not a option B or C? Because in option number B, you will see that I have written 3 times L, but in here we have 2 times L. Okay, so this is the wrong. This is the wrong as there are no double quotation marks in here. There should be double quotation marks. Okay, in this one, you will think this is the correct one, but this is not. And why it is not? Because I have written this hello world in capitals, not in small letters. ELLOORD. These are in small, okay, but I have written here in capital, and this is in small. That's why this is also incorrect. This is the correct because all the things are a capital. There are quotation marks here and print, of course. Yeah. On to the next question. Question number three. What is the correct file extension for Python files? First is .py, second is .py, third is .pyt, and the last one is .python. Thinking answer, I am giving you again 5 seconds. One, two, three, four, and five. So the correct answer is option number B, .py. Okay, pi is not the correct option. Okay, pyt is not the correct option, and .python is not the correct option. Okay, so now you have to label this. I don't know why it is not written. Question number, it is fourth. Yeah, and the question is, Don't focus on the handwriting. I'm doing on the PowerPoint presentation. It is going to be bad. Okay. So question number 4 is to label this. We discussed in the previous video. Okay. Think and discuss. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, oh, now to say. So the answer is this. These are the double quotation marks. Okay. This is the function. This is the parenthesis. And this is our message. And output will be hello world. Hello world will be the answer. Yeah. So we did the quiz and now we will learn the variables. Write the score you earned in today's quiz. I hope you did it well. So part number 3, what are variables? Variables are containers that store data values. Okay, like you have a container of complan. Okay, so in it we store the complan, right? So if the complan gets finished, what does your mom does? She takes the container and then makes and stores it in various ingredients, like it will store biscuits, like biscuits you store when the complan box is empty, there's no complan. So here is the case of variables too. Variables are containers. वो डिब्बा होता है जो स्टोर करता है, बिस्किट तो स्कोर नहीं करता, नहीं बिस्किट स्कोर नहीं करता, वो मतलब स्टोर नहीं करता, वो डेटा वैल्यूज को स्टोर करता है। ठीक है, it stores what? It stores data values. This is the main point. Okay, it can contain certain data values like hello world 2020.5, and in the next video we'll learn what are the data values. Okay, example, we have this program a equals to 10, print a, the output is this. So we'll also do the practical. So let's open our ideally. Yeah. Discard and it's all over. Okay. New file. And if I write here a equals to 10, sorry, a minus 10, I have written a equals to 10. Okay. And I print a, I have to first save it. Python tutorial. First program. Now we'll write variables dot py. Yeah. If I run it, I will see 10. Now, if you want to take input from the user, you can do like this. I will just comment out it. Oh, sorry. Or I'll just remove it. Now, if I write num1 equals to input, now there is an function called int which changes anything to integer. You will learn more about this in my following videos. Just run the program that I am doing. Okay, I think the something's wrong. Yeah. Now if I write enter your number. Just do the program, don't think about it how it is done. Okay, so and I print my num1 to save it. Enter your number. So suppose I enter any number 56, so it will show 56. So here what happens, this is a variable, right? This is the input that we take from user. The input function is used to take input from the user. Okay, so we take the input from the user, we write enter your number, we inputted the number, and it showed the number. Like again we can do run module. I write 45, I inputted the number 45, so it is showing me 45. Now on base this, you can do calculation, which we'll learn in the following videos. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, and in the next video we'll talk about data types in Python. Thank you.